Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to crochet this flower and this triangle shape. This one and this one are the same. This triangle pattern from this pattern. Okay, we are going to do this. Okay, let's see how to do this one first. We start with 10 chain. Join together, form as a ring. 3 chain plus 1 chain for space. Then we are going to make 20 double crochet with 1 chain space. 1 double crochet, 1 chain. So we are going to make 20 double crochet. Okay, we completed 20. So now we are going to make 2 single crochet in the chain space here. In the previous row we did 1 chain, isn't it? There we are going to make 2 single crochet. So we are going to repeat these 2 chain. Now 2 chain. Next row is 1 single crochet. Okay, we completed 2 single crochet in the chain here, previous row 1. Okay, now we are going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch. 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, complete 1 single crochet. Now we are going to make 4 chain. Then in the next stitch we are going to make 1 double crochet one time, and because we are going to make 2 double crochet together like this. Okay, again 1 2 3 4 chain, then we go down here, single crochet, then we are going to single crochet 4 more time. 4 more time. Then we are going to make 4 chain, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet, 2 together. Okay, then we are going to make 4 chain, then go down here. So, and we're going to make 4 more single crochet, then 4 chain again. Okay, like this. So we'll have like this 6. Okay, we complete this one. We got 6 here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now we completed here. You see, after the chain here, now we are going to make double crochet in the 4 chain space here. Okay, we are going to make 3 double crochet. Okay, like this. Then we are going to make treble crochet. We are going to make 5 treble crochet. Okay, see, 3 double crochet, 5 treble crochet. Okay, now we are going to make 5 chain. Then we are going to make triple crochet this side, on the left side. Just now we did in the right side. Now left side, triple crochet 5. 5 treble crochet, then 3 double crochet. 1 2 3. Then we are going to make 1 single crochet in the middle here. Then from here we are going to this side, make 3 double crochet and 5 treble crochet on the left and right side of the space, chain space here. Okay, you are going to repeat this. Okay, complete this row. Now we are going to make 1 single crochet, like we have got 3 double crochet and 5 treble crochet. We are going to make 8 single crochet like this. 1 2 3 8. So in the chain here we are going to make 2 single crochet. Then we are going to make 3 chain. This is peacock, and if we are okay, and 2 single crochet again. Then we make another 8 single crochet. Okay, here we will come join here in the single crochet. Okay, repeat this till the end. Okay, we completed this pattern. Okay, from this pattern I did the triangle pattern. Okay, this is 15 single crochet in magic ring, and this part I did here. So this I took it for 3. Okay, so now I did this pattern like this. I hope that you can do also. Give a try. Okay, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Thank you.